Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Ultimate Top 5, and today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic. We know that cricket in India is an emotion and cricketers are god. So it is very unfair if you don't count world's top largest cricket stadium in our list. So guys, let's start with the world's top 5 largest cricket stadium. Cricket stadiums are usually owned by local cricket boards or governments and are used for hosting domestic and international cricket matches. They are also sometimes used for other events such as concerts, cultural festivals. In addition to the playing area, a cricket stadium also has facilities for players such as locker rooms, showers, and lounges. There are also spectators stand surrounding the field which can accommodate thousands of fans. The stand can be either covered or uncovered depending upon the weather condition. So let's see the top 5 largest cricket stadium in world. First, Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. When it comes to cricket, India is never second, it's always first. The biggest cricket stadium in the world by seating capacity is the Narendra Modi Stadium, formerly known as the Sardar Patel Stadium, located in Ahmedabad, India. The stadium was reconstructed and expanded in 2020 and now has a seating capacity of 132,000 spectators at a time, making it the largest cricket stadium in the entire world. It surpasses Melbourne Cricket Stadium or Melbourne Cricket Ground, that is MCG in Australia, which has a seating capacity of around 1 lakh. The Narendra Modi Stadium hosted its first international match in February 2021 when India played against England in T20 match. On our second list we have Melbourne Cricket Ground, Melbourne, Australia. The Melbourne Cricket Ground or MCG is a sports stadium located in Yarra Park, Melbourne, Australia. It is the largest stadium in the southern hemisphere and 10th largest stadium in the world, with a seating capacity of over 1 lakh spectators. The MCG is primarily used for cricket in Australia and Australian rules football, but has also hosted a range of other sporting events, concerts, and cultural events over the years. The ground is the home of the Melbourne Cricket Club and is also the main venue for the Australian Football League AFL Grand Final. On the third rank, again it comes India. We have Eden Garden of Kolkata, India. It has a seating capacity of 66,349 spectators, making it the second largest cricket stadium in India and the third largest in the world. The stadium was established in 1864 and has a rich history, having hosted several memorable matches over years. It is the home ground of the Kolkata Knight Rider franchise team that plays in the Indian Premier League or IPL. At our fourth rank we have ANZ Stadium or Sydney, Australia. ANZ Stadium, formerly known as the Stadium Australia, is a multi-purpose stadium located in Sydney. It has a seating capacity of 68,000 and is the largest stadium in Sydney. The stadium was built to host the 2000 Summer Olympics and Paralympics and was also the main venue for the Sydney 2000 Games. It was later converted into a multi-purpose stadium capable of hosting a range of events including rugby league, rugby union, soccer and concerts. At our fifth rank, we have Perth Stadium located in Perth, Australia. Perth Stadium, also known as the Optus Stadium, is a multi-purpose stadium located in Perth, of Western Australia. It has a seating capacity of 60,000, making it the third largest stadium in Australia. The stadium was officially opened in January 2018 and is the home ground of the several sports teams including the Perth Scorcher cricket team, the West Coast Eagles, and the Fremantle Dockers or AFL, and the Perth Glory Soccer. So guys, here we end up with our top 5 largest cricket stadium, but nevertheless we have some honorable mention. At our 6th place we have Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium located in Hyderabad. India with a seating capacity of 55,000, and it is the main stadium for franchisee team Sunrisers Hyderabad, which play in IPL or Indian Premier League. At 7th place, we have Shahid Veer Narayan Singh International Cricket Stadium located in Raipur, India with a seating capacity of 50,000 spectators. The stadium located in Raipur, the capital city of Chhattisgarh state in India. At our 8th place, we have Adelaide Oval Garden located in Adelaide, Australia with a seating capacity of 50,000 spectators, and it is primarily used for cricket and Australian rules football. At our 9th place, we have Oval Garden located in London, England with a seating capacity of 28,000 spectators. And at our 10th place, we have M.A. Chidambaram Stadium located in Chennai, India with a seating capacity of 38,000 spectators. So guys, here we complete our top 5 largest cricket stadium in the world with some honorable mentions. Thank you for watching our video. We will soon upload another video with top 5 pioneers in their own field. Till then guys, if you like our content, kindly like the video, share with your friends so that they also get a knowledge of ultimate top 5 things in the world, and kindly press the subscribe button and bell icon so that you will get notification for every video we upload as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.